okay, we got one sequence that starts at a very low value, 0.01, and doubles each time. So after one turn, it's going to be 0.02, then 0.04, then 0.08. Another one starts at 0 and adds 5 every time. So 5, 10, 15. And it says which one is basically growing faster, which one has a faster rate of change. Well, at first it seems like this one is really growing much faster. I mean, this is growing by 5 each time. This is only growing by like 0.01, and then sure it's growing by 0.02, then 0.04. At first it seems like this one is growing at a much lower rate. It's not getting big very fast, whereas this one's chunking 5, 10. The thing though is, as this continues to double, it's eventually going to crush and outpace this by, an infinite margin, basically. So what I did was I wrote the formulas for this one. This one is 0.01 times 2 to the x power, and this one's just 5 times x, and you can say plus 0 if you want. And then I put them both into my calculator. 0.01 times 2 to the x and 5x, and I'm going to look at the table to see how they grow. So as we knew, this one goes 0.1, 0.2, 0.04, 0.08, 0.16, 0.32, and this one goes 5, 10, 15, 20, so clearly this one's growing much faster at first. But as this continues to double, this one's just going to keep going up by 5 each time. This one's doubling, so each time when you double the number before, it's going up by more. So now look here. Right here, this one only goes up by 5. This one goes up a little bit more than 5. And on the next turn, this one's going to go up by 10.24, but this one's only still going to go up by 5. So at this point here, this one's now going to be going up by more every single time than this one. And that pace is only going to get faster. Whereas this one's stuck at a pace of plus 5. This one's sort of like getting exponentially bigger. The pace at which this is growing continues to get bigger until the numbers are just massive. You get into the 100,000s, and this thing's stuck at 120. So at first, this one has a slower rate, but eventually this one overtakes this one.